Welcome to 5-Minute Solution channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can upload custom emojis to Discord server. So for that you have to open Discord in a web browser or app. Then you have to right click on your server names and click on server settings. Then you have to go to emoji. So here you can see that you can find the option server emoji and upload emoji. You have to click on upload emoji. Then you have to click on the file which you want to make a emoji of, but beware that the image must be under 250 kilobyte. Then after that you have to click on open. So you can name it to find it faster. So here I have created the emoji and it has been added. You can add 49 more. In total you can add 50. So once you have uploaded the emoji, you can use it in your server by typing its name, or you can find it here in server name. So click on that and press enter. Now you can see the emoji has been added. So that's how you basically can upload custom emoji to a Discord server. You can also add animated one, but for that you have to just upload a GIF image. So if you want more videos like this, then like, comment and subscribe, and also thank you very much for watching this video.